If you were starting over, wala ka raw skill na nag-gain mo sa 5-day challenge on landing pages, tapos wala kang networks, paano ka makakasecure ng premium clients within 2 weeks?
Okay, let's define a client first, okay? For me, when you do a transaction, there's always two types of commitments. Number one, commitment of paying money. And then number two is commitment of paying time. Just like you guys, you're paying attention. Okay? Now, my first goal is to get your attention. Okay, if you are my client, what I will do is I will tell you, hey, would you be open if I give you a free trial? I'll create your landing page. In just 7 days, I'll definitely finish it. And if you like it, we can keep on working together at just as a discount. Kung ayaw mo, okay lang. Pero ang goal ko sa'yo is I want to give you a free taste of something that I can do. And then, ang goal ko is, like in exchange, what I would want is just a testimonial. And if you could refer me to your friends, that's okay as well. Pero yung goal ko talaga is to get your time commitment. Kasi wala pa akong credentials eh. The only thing that I can get from you is your time. And that's so valuable. So yan yung kukunin ko muna. Give free trial, get a testimonial and referral. And if they like your service, you tell them, I will give you a discount for this one. And then the second client, I will double my charge. The third one, I will double it again. The fourth one, I will double it again. But I will do the same thing over and over and over and over again hanggang hindi ko na kaya. That's how I would do it. So, 2 weeks, that's too big. Malaki yung 2 weeks. Sino dito yung ayaw ng libre? Most probably walang business na ayaw ng libre. So, it's easy.